Hi everyone, so today we're going to learn how to make these really cute but simple pom-pom earrings. You can make them super festive like these. These will be my 4th of July earrings. Or you could do simple colors like this. So the first thing we're going to do, right now this is a hand-dyed yarn, and I like this because it gives your palms a more unique color. And what I like to do is I like to take my 3 fingers like this, take the yarn, hold the yarn with my thumb on my ring finger, and then I would wrap it around. And for the first row, I'm careful making sure I keep the strands close together. And I keep wrapping. And I go back over. And in my head, I'm counting how many times I wrap it. But you can sometimes just look and see the thickness, but I like to be as accurate as possible, especially when making two that has to look alike. So while you're wrapping, you'll find that your finger will get a little bit scrunched together. Just kind of like pull your fingers out while it's being wrapped to keep it separated. Okay, so after it's wrapped, you're going to take your scissors. You're going to cut the ends like so. And you're going to slide it off. And you'll look like this. When it looks like this, you're going to cut another piece about, see, 6 to 8 inches long. You're just going to place that in the middle, flip it around, and then you're going to tie that. Okay, so that should be it. And it should look like this right now. So you could push those aside, and the next thing that you're going to do is take an open ring. Looks like this. They're fairly tiny. Okay, so after you pull that out, you're going to use your little tool, jewelry making tool. You're going to take that and kind of use your fingers. You could use a tweezer as well. You're going to pick a side that doesn't have the tie, and you're going to take the tool while you're holding the ring. Come on. While you're holding the ring, you're going to take it and you're going to slide it, making sure that you're picking up most of the yarn that you use to wrap the piece around. Then you're going to take your chain. So it'll come like this. And what you would do is, I count the amount of rings for the length. Then when I find the length that I want, let's say I want it to be 30 chains long, I will then find the 31st chain, and then I will place it between this middle area that has this piece, and then you'll just squeeze down. Now we'll tug a little and it's off. Okay. I like to do, after I cut, I like to again make sure that it's even while the ring is still open. Slide it on to that ring. Slide it on. See, it's on. And then I'm going to pull this apart like that, and then close it. Close. Okay. And then I'm going to take a sharp scissors. See that? Okay, so what you would do is take a piece of cardboard, and this is going to be your template for can't speak right now, for the diameter of your palm. So I have my daughter's finger paint container here, and I want the diameter to be this size. Okay, so I'm placing one piece on one side. Now I'm making sure that it's lined up and putting another piece on the other side. So I'm making a little pom-pom sandwich right here. Right? Just make sure that it's okay. So I'm going to hold that really firmly. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut around. Okay, so it took a little trimming, but she is done. You'll have your fish hook here, and there'll be this would normally be closed, and you'll just take your little tool and pry it open. Then you will take that, and just hook it into one of the chains, and then close it up. There you go. Just close that in. There you are, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. After you subscribe, hit that bell button right next to it so you can get notified when I'm posting when I've posted a new video. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.